Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Clark. This is fifth question of 100 plus question series. Now let's solve this question. The question is the major product A and B in the following reaction sequence. Okay, and we have the substrate 2 equivalent of benzaldehyde, 2 equivalent of benzaldehyde, and first condition is sodium cyanide. Okay, the second condition is MnO2, third one sodium hydroxide. Now looking towards the first condition and the substrate, that is 2 equivalent of benzaldehyde and sodium cyanide. This is one of the name reaction, that is a benzoin condensation reaction. This is an example of benzoin condensation reaction. Condensation reaction. Okay. Benzoin condensation is an example of Ampulong chemistry. Ampulong chemistry. Ampulong means chemistry. Okay. Ampulong means that is a reversal of polarity. Means electron deficient carbonyl center of the benzaldehyde is converted into the nucleophilic center. Okay. So let's see the mechanism of this reaction. The mechanism for the first step. It's the mechanism of benzoin condensation involved in the first step of this example, sodium cyanide. Okay, cyanide at the electron deficient carbonyl center of benzaldehyde gives corresponding tetrahedral intermediate cyanide. It's a hydrogen. Okay, write simply cyanide. Then there is exchange of proton, that is a loss of proton from this carbon, and this proton is abstracted by the oxyanion. So minus plus H plus, we get PH OH cyanide, and there is formation of the carbanion. This carbanion is stabilized by the cyanide as well as the phenyl ring through conjugation. Now in next step, this carbanion attack at the electron deficient center of the second molecule of benzaldehyde. We get second tetrahedral intermediate, O minus PH. Okay, there is formation of the second tetrahedral intermediate. Then in next step, there is a first proton exchange between this oxyanion and OH, and after abstracting the proton, there is an elimination of the cyanide or loss of cyanide. So Cn minus, we get C double bond O OH PH. This is a benzoin. Okay, now in second step, we have given the MnO2. MnO2 is an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the benzylic OH group to the corresponding ketone. In this example, this MnO2 act as an oxidizing agent, oxidize the benzylic OH group to the corresponding ketone. This is 1,2-diketone. Okay, this is our A product. Now again further reaction of A with sodium hydroxide, 1,2-diketone. Okay, now that is a base catalyzed reaction of the 1,2-diketone to the corresponding salt of alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid is an benzylic acid rearrangement. This reaction is a benzylic acid rearrangement. Okay, this condition for the benzylic acid rearrangement. Let's see the mechanism. Now this OH minus attack at the electron deficient center. This is a symmetrical diketone, so any one center this OH group is attacked, and we get pH C double bond O, O minus, then pH OH. Okay. Now in next step there is a 1-2 migration. 1-2 migration of the phenyl ring, or simply 1-2 shift. Then is formation of the O minus, double bond O, here is a pH, and OH is stabilized by the sodium plus ion. This is the salt of, formation of the salt of alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid on work up gives pH C double bond O, sorry, the OH, pH, then C double bond O, OH. Okay, this is our B product. Now looking towards the overall mechanism. In first step there is a benzoin condensation reaction. Benzoin condensation, condensation reaction. Okay. Now in benzoin condensation, cyanide act as a catalyst. In first step, cyanide attack at the electron deficient center. So it is a act as a, in first step cyanide act as a nucleophile. Then second role of cyanide is it stabilize the corresponding carbon ion, and in last step act as a good leaving group. So this reaction is a cyanide catalyzed reaction of the two molecule of the benzaldehyde. It is a benzoin condensation reaction. In next step, oxidation of the next step is an oxidation of benzylic OH group to the corresponding 1,2-diketone by using MnO2. Okay. Now in next step, that's 1,2-diketone on treatment with the sodium hydroxide gives the salt of alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. That is a, this step is benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. So this is our product A and this is the product B. Now our correct option is option number 4. That is, in A there is formation of the 1,2-diketone, and in B gives the alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. So option 4 is correct. Okay, this is all about this reaction. This example asked in the previous net exam for the 4 marks. Net exam is CSR net June 2019. In this exam, this example asked for the 4 mark. Okay, thank you for watching video.